So here we go. This is a sneak preview of what's coming up. As you can see, I'm working through the boxes. Excuse my dirty bowl from earlier. I had some porridge. Right. There's probably about 100 plus watches in there, and this is the stuff to be looked at. This is the new stuff I've had since my last video. So as you can see, and I've still got like another 4 boxes to work through as well, plus another box about this size here, which I've got to do all the batteries for. I mean, there's like, if you can see here, where I've actually fitted a better like bracelet to that. I've got to put stuff into the boxes. There's some old favourites in here, so this is one of my Law 389. It's a very dark blue thick hide homemade strap. It's all been going on, so I just need a bit more time to like sort it out. Like, as you can see, get some wear out of that. Very rare, very rare. And in this box it's some very rare stuff as well. So, but I've done it in such a way you can't see anything. Stay tuned, it is all coming. Right, signing off rather.